Now look at these pronouns. We call them COI, complément d'objet indirect. Me, te, lui, nous, vous, leur. These are COI. And me there, it means me. And then when do we use it? Now we use it to answer the question to whom or to what. Now, if I wanted to say, I'm calling him, I would say, je lui téléphone. Je lui téléphone. Now, in French, I'm using lui because téléphone, the verb is téléphoner à. In French, you say téléphoner à quelqu'un. So, je téléphone à ma mère, not je téléphone ma mère. Remember I told you, in French, don't do the word for word translation. It doesn't always work. Okay? So to say you're calling your mom, you say je téléphone à ma mère. If you want to replace à ma mère, remember the COI replaces à quoi or à qui. So à ma mère, we change to lui. So I'm calling her. Je lui téléphone. Lui there can mean her or him. It's different from the lui you learned in les pronoms toniques. Remember we say les pronoms toniques usually comes at the end of a sentence. Okay? But this lui is called the complément d'objet indirect and it replaces à qui, à quoi. Another example. If I wanted to say, I'm writing a letter to him or I'm writing to him. J'écris à Pierre. I'm writing to Paul or to Pierre. J'écris à Pierre. Now, if I wanted to say I'm writing to him, because I can see à Pierre definitely will be replaced by a COI, complement, indirect object complement. So I say, je lui écris. I'm writing to him. Now, the position is always before the verb. I give him my address. Je lui donne mon adresse. Why? Because I say, je donne à Benga. I'm giving to Benga. Je donne à Benga mon adresse. Now, I can replace à Benga with lui. And then it comes before. Je lui donne mon adresse. She's bringing him a coffee. Elle apporte un café à Pierre. Then I replace à Pierre with lui. Elle lui apporte un café. She's bringing a coffee to him. So you can see it always replaces à qui or à quoi. Using that, how would I say, if I say, je réponds à ma sœur, how do I say, I'm replying her? Je réponds à ma sœur. Now, I don't want to say à ma sœur. How do I replace à ma sœur? Je lui réponds. Je lui réponds. I'm replying her. It's as simple as that. I'm laying emphasis on lui because I know you're familiar with me, te, nous, vous already. So I'm going to pay more attention to lui and leur. And I'm going to explain the rest better in the lesson below. So leur means them, to them. It's the same thing. If I want to say I'm calling them, I'm phoning them, je leur téléphone. And now it could be je téléphone à mes enfants. I replace à mes enfants because it's plural with leur. So je leur téléphone. I'm writing to them. Je leur écris. She's giving them flowers. Elle leur donne des fleurs. So whenever the object, okay, is à plus something, à ma mère, à mon voisin, à nos collègues, then you can replace the à with the COE. Okay, so the à there tells you that you need to replace it with the COE if needed. Same thing if I say I'm talking to my sister. Je parle à ma sœur. I'm talking to her. I just have to replace à ma sœur with lui. Je lui parle. Je lui parle. Again, I'm talking to my brother. Je parle à mon frère. Je parle à mon frère. I'm talking to him. Je lui parle. Je lui parle.